Hey folks, thanks again for tuning in to Dude Craft Guitars. Captain James Nelson here with a quick tip for you. We're going to talk about shimming. The reason that you may want to do it on a guitar like this, now this is a bass 6, and you see the bridge on here. Now the customer's already upgraded to a mastery bridge, but even if you're using the stock bridge, or we're talking about maybe you got a Stratocaster, or any type of bolt-on neck for that matter, shimming can be a great way to raise the heel of the neck to get the action down. So there's only so far you could go with the bridge, but here you get to raise it. Plus, in a case with a bridge system like this, with the tremolo, you want enough height and good angle here so that when you use this, you've got enough string tension and everything comes back into tune. First thing you need to do is loosen the strings. I've done that. It doesn't hurt to take the whammy bar off, especially when it's somebody else's guitar and you don't want to scratch it. And in the case of these bridges, now this will come out of the post once everything's loosened too, so we want to watch that. We're just going to loosen this up. Okay, and what you want to do is make sure you move everything all at once, get it aside so you don't scratch it. What we're going to do is I'm going to start slowly. This customer actually sent a set that's got the 0.25 degree, it's got the 0.5, and then he's got a full 1 degree. I'm going to start with 0.25, and all you got to do is place it in there. I like to find either a paint pen, or in this case, a little stain marker. And see how that lines up with the holes? It looks really nice, really beautiful. Now here's the trick, make sure the strings don't get twisted. And I put them right back into the nut slots. That way when I pull everything tight, it's all nice and beautiful. Now you see how I got a twist? Real simple, just twist it. Flip it over, and I want to remove the screws from the plate so that I don't scratch the guitar. And put the screws in. Alright, and before I tighten it up anymore, I just want to make sure everything looks good there. And now I'm going to cock it. Notice how that tilted. That's what we want. Now we're just going to tighten it up. And on this is where you definitely want to use a hand screwdriver. Now look at that angle, look at that action. Now in this case, I might even want to raise this a little bit, but I think once we get it up to pitch, no fret buzz. Then I'm going to look at the neck angle itself, any of the bow, any truss rod adjustments. That will be a whole other video in and of itself. So that's how we do a shim. And then, like I said, all the little details, you know, getting all the prettiness going on it and getting it all up to tune into pitch and to set the intonation. Come on back. If you like videos like this, please click the like and subscribe button. Leave comments, ask questions. You know, I always read them and respond whenever I can. So once again, thanks for tuning in to Dude Craft Guitars.